This is Sleeping Water. It's a famous mountain in Kenya. It's located within the magnificent Great Rift Valley. You will find it standing tall. It's a directly overlooking of a beautiful Lake Elementaita. This iconic natural landmark is a memorable sight for everyone traveling through this stunning part of Kenya landscape. My exciting trip to the famous Sleeping Warrior Hill started from a place called Kipope. I was riding my motorcycle, feeling excited for what was to come. But right away, the road was very hard. It was full of many deep holes. Each hole made my back jump and shake, forcing me to drive very slowly. I had to be extra careful, turning my back left and right to miss the first jump. This made the whole journey take much longer than I thought it would. Adding to the challenge, a huge and heavy truck was also going the same way. Its size meant to kick a lot of dust, and I had to keep the safe pace behind it. This was the only road that could take me to the special Sleeping Warrior mountain. There was no other paths, so I had to keep going on the same. Along the side of the road, the plant and trees were covered in a thick layer of dust. They looked brown instead of green. The air felt thick with the dust from all cars and passing by. Because of the bumpy road, the slow ride and the dirty air, that hour felt like a very long time. It took me almost 1 full hour to finally reach the place where the path of the Sleeping Warrior begins. Here, as I got closer, the view changed. The tall, dust plants gave way to shorter, smaller bushes. This gives me a clear, wide view of the amazing mountain ahead. It looked like a giant person lying down, with the head, chest and leg all visible from far away. It is called Sleeping Warrior because people who have lived in the area for a long time looked at this mountain and saw something special. They used their imagination and saw that the shape looked exactly like a warrior laying down, fast asleep. They saw the shape of a head, the chest and the legs stretching out. Because it looks so much like a sleeping warrior, they give it the name. They then tell a story about what the mountain looks like to the people who see it every day. It's a name that comes from looking closely at nature and seeing familiar shape.